So how to install App Store widget on iOS. So just tap and hold, and then you can see apps appearing here, and then I can just search for App Store. So what's the purpose of this widget? So you can get daily stories on what's new and next in the world of games and apps, like some new news updates, some new trending apps, some new games releases. So for example, if big widget, here's what will happen. Like there are different size of widgets. There is small, there is horizontal, and there is big one. And yeah, this is here. And then you can tap and be redirected to the widget. And then yeah, if you don't like it, yeah, so different new apps, different recommendations. So all these stories, if all those recommended apps, you can just see them in your widget, and you don't need to go to App Store app, open it up, go to like some top charts or go to some trending. You can just see it from widget, and then you can easily remove it.